Close your eyes and imagine the aroma of exotic spices, the rich taste of roasted meats, and the vibrant colors of fresh produce that graced the tables of ancient Roman nobility. We're not just cooking a meal, we're stepping back in time to recreate the opulent, forgotten flavors of history's most legendary feasts. Get ready to experience a truly unique culinary journey that will transport you straight to the heart Roman banquet. Picture yourself in a lavish triclinium, reclining on plush cushions as slaves bring forth an array of dishes that would make even the most discerning modern gourmand weak at the knees. The air is thick with the scent of saffron and garum, a fermented fish sauce that was the cornerstone of Roman cuisine. Your taste buds tingle with anticipation as you survey the spread before you, each dish a testament to the ingenuity and extravagance of ancient Roman gastronomy. As we embark on this culinary time travel, we'll uncover the secrets of dishes that have long since faded from memory. Imagine sinking your teeth into tender dormice, a delicacy so prized that the Romans built special enclosures just to fatten these tiny rodents for their tables. Or perhaps you'd prefer to sample the flamingo tongues, a dish that exemplified the excess and decadence of imperial Rome. But our journey isn't just about shock value or novelty. We'll delve into the sophisticated flavors and techniques that made Roman cuisine truly remarkable. Take, for example, the art of combining sweet and savory elements in a single dish, a practice that was centuries ahead of its time. Picture a succulent roast boar, its flesh infused with honey and exotic spices from the far reaches of the empire. As we recreate these ancient recipes, we'll use modern equivalents where necessary, but always with an eye towards authenticity. You'll learn how to make your own garum, that pungent fish sauce that was the Roman equivalent of ketchup, used liberally in everything from savory stews to sweet desserts. We'll explore the use of herbs and spices that were worth their weight in gold, like silphium, an extinct plant that was so valued for its flavor and medicinal properties that it was depicted on ancient coins. But a Roman feast was about more than just the food. It was a multi-sensory experience, a celebration of life's pleasures, and a display of wealth and power. As we cook, we'll also discuss the customs and etiquette that surrounded these elaborate meals. You'll learn about the proper way to recline at a Roman dinner party, the importance of the seating arrangement, and the role of entertainment in these marathon eating sessions that could last for days. Imagine the spectacle of a whole roasted ostrich being carried into the dining room, its beak still holding a bouquet of roses, or the theatrical presentation of a dish of thrushes, each bird stuffed with a single grape and arranged to look as if they were still alive, ready to fly off the platter. These were not just meals, they were performances designed to dazzle and impress. As we recreate these dishes, we'll also explore the agricultural and trade practices that made such feasts possible. You will gain a new appreciation for the vast network of roads and sea routes that brought exotic ingredients from all corners of the known world to Rome, from oysters harvested in Britain to pepper from India. The Roman table was a testament to the empire's reach and power. But it wasn't all excess and indulgence. We'll also look at the everyday fare of ordinary Romans, the simple yet flavorful dishes that sustained the empire's soldiers and citizens. You'll learn to make your own posca, the vinegar-based drink that quenched the thirst of legionaries on long marches, and pulse, the hearty grain porridge that was a staple of the Roman diet for centuries. As we cook, we'll discuss the philosophical and medical theories that influenced Roman cuisine. You'll discover how the ancient concept of humoral balance shaped their approach to food and health, and how certain ingredients were believed to have specific effects on the body and mind. We'll explore the writings of ancient gourmands and physicians, from Apicius to Galen, to understand the reasoning behind their culinary choices. Throughout our journey, we'll challenge our modern palates and preconceptions. You'll taste flavors that may seem strange or even unpleasant at first, but which open up new worlds of culinary possibility. We'll rediscover ancient techniques for preserving and preparing food that have been lost to time, but which could offer sustainable solutions for our own era. As we near the end of our feast, we'll indulge in the sweet treats that concluded Roman banquets. Imagine biting into a date stuffed with nuts and honey, or savoring a slice of libum, a cheesecake offered to the gods before being enjoyed by mere mortals. We'll explore the Roman love of fruit and the ingenious ways they preserved nature's bounty to enjoy year-round. Finally, as the last dishes are cleared away and the wine flows freely, we'll reflect on what we've learned from this culinary time travel. We'll discuss how recreating these ancient flavors can give us a deeper understanding of Roman society, its values, and its daily life. We'll consider how the tastes and techniques of the past can inspire innovation in modern kitchens and challenge our assumptions about what constitutes good food. As our Roman feast comes to a close, you'll find yourself with not just a full stomach, but a mind brimming with new knowledge and a palate expanded by centuries of forgotten flavors. You'll have gained a new appreciation for the complexity and sophistication of ancient cuisine, and perhaps even a few ideas to spice up your own cooking. So as you open your eyes and return to the present, take a moment to savor the lingering tastes and aromas of our Roman banquet. Let the echoes of ancient laughter and the clink of long-ago goblets fade away, but carry with you the essence of this extraordinary culinary journey. For in recreating the flavors of ancient Rome, we've done more than just cook a meal. We've brought history to life, one bite at a time.